Wild possums on the run. Wild possums at the ocean. We got a piss.
We've made it to the Pacific Ocean. I'll take you out here and
Ain't this the Georgia Atlantic?
Georgia Atlantic. Oh, there it is. Just a few miles north of Fort Bragg, California. That's the Pacific Ocean. Yeah, I'm here. Get my hand out of the way. What do you think, Jerry?
I think it's a little on the cool side.
We just come down California 1. I tell you, I've been on the Dragon, and the little twisties and turns on it. I tell you, it ought to be called the Western Dragon. It was a nice ride. Okay, we'll check in a little later.